is that our quirky neighbor Dale?
I reckon. Right here, garage, baby!
Man, that sounded pretty damn good there, Mike.
Yeah, can you believe I bought a Chevrolet?
I can't believe it.
Actually, I didn't.
I can't. You can't even say that with a straight face.
I can't
can we?
either. I wouldn't. No.
What we got here?
This is my neighbor Dale.
Neighbor Dale. Oh,
Neighbor Dale, you know Dale.
I know Dale. He's a character.
Been knowing
But
Dale.
he's a little shy. He didn't want to come on the video. So we're going to kind of go over his car and tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool car. So let's check out this interior.
Basically stock. One of the cool features I always liked about certain Chevrolets and whatnot is the shifter.
Oh, yeah.
Shifter. I always thought, I don't know what they call that, a horseshoe shifter or whatever you want to call it.
Maybe one of you guys could tell us what it's called,
Yeah.
because it's escaping both of us.
Well, it's a Chevrolet.
Yeah,
So,
well,
know,
I know.
All I know is it's
Chevrolet prejudiced over here.
Yeah. So.
But it is. It's a pretty clean, straightforward interior, and it does just look pretty good. I mean, for a car that's, 50 years old, you can't beat that.
No.
And it's actually been used for all its life, which is nice. Not a garage queen at all.
Yeah, so he did all the paint, body work, the paint, engine work. It wasn't a full restoration. It wasn't a rotisserie type restoration.
It's more of what you find probably 80% of the restorations that are done. Just someone who loves the car and is going to do the best they can.
Well, it's kind of like what we've talked about in the past. If you're going to drive the car, enjoy the car, don't get too crazy underneath and get.
Because then you won't want to drive it.
That's exactly right. I already had that once, and I don't want it again.
Right.
And so anyway, so it's a medium metallic blue.
Yeah, it's pretty.
396.
Yeah.
It's got a comp cams, flat hydraulic cam in it. So
Okay.
it's nothing crazy, but a good sounding cam.
What transmission's in it? Do you know?
It's a turbo 400. Turbo
Okay.
hydro
Yep.
400.
And that's what came in it.
It's kind of like the C6, the Torque Flight 727. It was the biggest, baddest transmission of the day.
Okay.
And they still run them today.
Yeah.
In drag racing.
What do you think the horsepower rating is on this thing?
Well, being a Chevrolet, they were always a little off.
About 170?
It says 425, but I'm guessing
Yeah.
about maybe 275, something like that. But it sounds good.
It sounds great.
And it does, leave nice street art. So
Yeah.
I like that part.
Yes.
So.
Do you guys share in street art? I know you've been on occasion to do it in front of his house.
It's kind of a tit for tat thing.
Yeah.
I'll hear him, I'll be in there on the couch hanging out, and all of a sudden I hear the tires blowing up. And well, Dale's here. And so I'll do the same. I'll go by his
Right.
place and,
That's fun.
So we just have a good time.
That's
playing
cool.
around. But I hope you guys enjoy this car. It's
Yeah.
It's been around since I've known it, so for 20 years. And he gets in it, drives it pretty regularly.
Cool.
And,
Well, that's nice.
yeah, so,
That is nice. Excellent.
I know 425. Ford Chevy rival going.
Oh yeah. That's Americana right there.
You got that right.
Hey, what's that smell?
A little bit of rubber, a little bit of brake. Mostly rubber. Look at that. Street art.
I like that one.
Cheers, brother.
Hey, cheers, Mike. How are you there?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing good. Good for a muggy Georgia day. But, that was pretty cool seeing Dale's 70 Chevelle. Such a pretty car, and the thing I like about that is he did the restoration on it.
Yep.
And you've known Dale for quite a while.
Yeah, 20 years. Met him, like I said in the video. I had restored a Pantera, 1974 Pantera.
I remember that car. That was a pretty sweet car.
Yeah, sweet car. So that's how I met him, introduced myself to him, and ever since we've been drinking buddies. And so with that being said about the Pantera, if you guys would like to see a video, I don't know how long it'll be or how good it'll
Probably
be, but
pretty short, but we got some good photos.
I got some photos of it. If y'all like to see that video, we'll put something together for you.
Just leave a mention in the comments and say, hell yeah, I'd like to see the Pantera.
Yeah, the Pantera.
It was a pretty sweet car, I gotta say.
It's cool riding, and a couple of little mods that I had done. One of the very first cars that I did restore. So
Yeah.
apologize for all the jokes I made about Chevrolet. I do like Chevrolets. I
was
like
offended.
Dodge. I like. Was you? I'm sure the owner was 275 horsepower. But we hope you enjoyed the video. We brought something a little different.
Yeah, it's always nice to see different stuff, like when we did the Ford, the 40 Ford.
40
Yeah.
Ford. Something. Well,
We
you
appreciate
see,
all cars.
Yeah, we like them all, and we like the owners. The owners are, taking that car and taking care of it for the next guy down the road.
That's
so
right.
or gal.
Yeah.
And so
You never know.
anyway, we thought it'd be kind of cool to bring it to you.
Share you, just kind of give you a little tour of it.
Yeah.
Some cool shots of it running, which I think we got some pretty good ones.
Yeah.
I enjoyed doing it. It was a good video, I think.
Yeah, I enjoyed starting it a couple of times with my little jump box. Hey,
Yeah,
jump
look
box.
at the end of the video because there'll be a blooper reel.
Yeah, so. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and
Yeah.
if you did,
Please like
subscribe.
and share. Oh, don't forget that little notification bell.
Yeah, we know you're not going to do it.
Yeah, whatever.
Cheers, guys.
We got a flatliner there, Mike. You gonna help it out? Clear! Clear!
Bud Light. We
It
need
fell apart.
sponsorship.
Yeah. Come on, sponsors.
Yeah, we
know,
don't
we're
drink that
small.
much, so it wouldn't cost you much to, to sponsor a video or something. I mean, not asking for,
A 6-pack a month?
we're not
know,
asking
a
yeah,
case?
a case a month.
Well,
That'd
it's
be
Bud.
plenty.
A case a month would
Yeah, that'd be good. I'd be fine with that. I'd be happy, and I'd push your product all the time.
be. We have.
I'm pushing it right now.
Yeah.
Mm.